Hello guys and welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit videos on iMovie. So this is going to be quite a simple tutorial, just going over the basics, trying to teach you guys everything you're going to need to know when editing videos for YouTube. So we're going to go over like how to actually split the clip, how to crop, how to fade, add overlays, add music, how to render. So all the basics, everything you're going to need to know. So first of all, when you open up iMovie, you're going to come to a screen like this. Now, all you need to do, go over to here, create new, and then click movie. Once you come to movie, make sure it's on my movie, the one, and it's not on any of these, and you should come to a screen like this. Now, first thing you need to do is actually import your media. So you can either click on this button, and then it will take you to like your all your different files here, or you can actually go to your files directly and then find exactly what file you want and then drag it over to iMovie. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got a folder here for all the things I want to use for this video. So we get the video and then just drag it in there. There we go. So you drag that in and then you've got your file in there. Then all you got to do is drag it down to here. And then you're ready to start editing. So to actually make this a bit bigger, this looks quite small to edit at the moment. So you want to click on this or on this. This will expand like the view of the video. I think that's a bit too big. We'll go to the third one, and there you go. So this is just a basic video that I recorded a while ago. I can't remember what it's for. It's one of my other videos, but anyway, there we go. So first thing you want to know how to do is actually how to split the clip. So wherever you want to split it, you can go up to it and right click. So two click fingers with the trackpad on Mac, or you can right click with a mouse obviously, and then literally go split clip. And there you go, you have two different clips. Or as you saw there, it's also Command B. So if I didn't want to do that, I could just go over there and click Command B, and there you go. You have the clip split. Then once you've done that, obviously you can move the clips around. Oh crap, hope we don't run out of battery before this ends. But yeah, we can move this around. So say if I wanted to put this one in the middle of these two, I could, but I'm not going to. I'll just leave that how it is for now. Now this is a bit boring at the moment. I would want to add some music if I was going to actually edit this as my video. So obviously I'd go back to File, go back to where was it, and then I've got some just royalty free music. Add this there, and then add this under here. So as you can see, that's way too loud at the moment. So we want to click on this, and then see this button. This sort of controls the volume of the music. So we're going to move it down to about 11. That should do. Yeah, I think that's alright. I also want to add a bit of a fade. So again, we're going to zoom in a bit more. You see this little like circle button with the black dot. If you move this to the right, if you pull this to the right, that's actually going to fade in your clip. So let's say about here. That'll do. Let's play that. Yeah, that seems alright. It's not going to be anything massive. It's just like a subtle little fade. You can also do it with say like overlays and stuff like that. You can also do a fade out if you want. Wait, hang on, let's zoom back out. You can also do a fade out of the music as well. So there it is. If we want to do a fade out, we can. But let's say, right, see how the music's not as long as the video. So we want to duplicate that. So I'd go right click again, and then go to copy, and then go here, and then go Command V. And there we go. See how it's sort of doubled it. We don't really want the fade for the second one, so we just get rid of that. Oh, let's zoom in. Hang on. Zoom in. Get rid of the fade. Where is it? It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. There it is. So get rid of the fade, and then it probably won't be that clean, but you can't really notice when the music's sort of quite low. There's also another thing I want to teach you guys is how to add an overlay. So again, go back to your file, and then say if I wanted to add this little picture here somewhere in the video, I'd move that in, and then say I'd put it here. But the problem is, if you did that now, you'd just get a massive sort of subscribe thing on the screen, which, I mean, you might want that, but I feel like a better thing to do is put it in like the top corner. This is also something you could use if you want face cams for your video, or if you are just looking to add like just different random pictures like midway through your video. So to actually fix that, all you got to do is go to crop. Let's do fit for first of all, just to actually get the whole image, and then go to this little button here, and instead of cutaway, you want it to be on picture in picture. So we go there, and then see how it's gone. It's gone really small. So if we, hang on, wait. Yeah, there we go. So now you can adjust the size, and we can move it to where we want to go. So let's put it bottom right corner. I think that'll be alright. So I just had to plug my computer in there because it was literally about to die. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of editing like a random video. I will do a more in-depth tutorial if you guys want one. But now I'm just going to show you how to actually render the video to like make it an actual, like, how to bring it all together. So top right corner, click this button, and then go to File. And then you can choose what resolution you want. So if you want it in 720, 1080, 4K, I would suggest not going any higher than 1080p because it's going to take a lot longer to render, and most people can't even like actually view 4K videos that well. So stick with 1080p. Also, compression, you can change it to faster or better quality. Obviously, better quality is going to be better quality, but again, it's going to take longer to render, so that's up to you. I usually just stick with faster, and then I usually just keep all this the same. Ooh, nope, 1080p, there we go, and then go next. And then you can rename the video, so test render, and then we'll put it into this folder, and then we go save, and it will start to render. And then this little circle here will turn completely white once the video is actually finished rendering, and then it will pop up somewhere down here and you can view it. So there we go, that is the basics of iMovie. So if you guys did find this helpful or informative, please let me know in the comments, and let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.